Hi friends, this is Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful shawl. This shawl looks very tricky, but in reality it's crocheted by using chains, single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches. These are the only stitches you use, so let's do it. For this tutorial I am going to use this yarn which is called boucle. It consists of 20% wool, 20% mohair, 50% acrylic and 10% polyamide, but of course you can use any yarn. For example, if you use acrylic yarn, your shawl will look something like this. My hook size is 3.5, but of course you are going to use the hook which is appropriate to the yarn you are going to use. So now I'm ready to start. I will start my shawl by creating a magic circle. If you don't know how to do it, no worries, you can use chains. Please crochet 4 chains and join them in the round. And the way I create the magic circle is like this. There is a video tutorial that you can watch if you like. So like this and then like this, and now this is my magic circle. I'm ready to start my first row. For my first row, the first thing that I'm going to do is crochet 3 chains, and then I'm going to crochet a triple crochet stitch. The way we crochet the triple crochet stitch is we yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And now I am going to crochet 1 chain, and again I am going to yarn over twice and crochet a triple crochet stitch. There is also a video tutorial on how to do the triple crochet stitch. 1 more triple crochet stitch like this, and now I have finished my first row. As you can see, my first row consists of 2 pairs of triple crochet stitches because we substitute 1 triple crochet with the 3 chains. And now what I'm going to do is to pull the tail of my magic circle in order to make it smaller. And don't worry about the tail, I'm going to cut it later. Now I am ready to start my next row, and I'm going to crochet 6 chains for my second row. What I'm going to do now is to turn, and I'm going to skip the first 3 chains, and then I'm going to yarn over twice again, and I'm going to insert my hook into the 4th chain, so here, like this. So I'm going to crochet a triple crochet stitch here into the 4th chain, and then I'm going to crochet 1 chain. I'm going to skip the next chain, and in the last chain of these 6 chains I'm going to crochet 1 triple and another triple like this. So I have created the first 2 pairs of triple crochet stitches in my second row. What I'm going to do now is to, please, this is very important because all this pattern is based on where you place your hook. So I'm going to insert my hook here between the triple crochet stitch and the 3 chains that I have crocheted at the beginning of my first row. So I am going to insert my hook here, yarn over, pull through, and create a single crochet stitch. And in this way the shawl will take this triangular shape. Now here again I am going to crochet 3 chains, and then I am going to yarn over twice, insert my hook, and create a triple crochet stitch. So now I have one pair of 2 triple crochet stitches, because as we said, we think that these 3 chains substitute a triple crochet stitch. Again, chain 1, yarn over twice, and create my next pair of triple crochet stitches. And this is really how we work this pattern. In every row we add 2 pairs of triple crochet stitches with 1 chain between them. So again here I am going to chain 6, then I am going to turn my work. I'm going to skip my first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. In the 4th chain I am going to work a triple crochet stitch, and then I'm going to chain 1, and in the last chain I am going to crochet 1 triple crochet stitch and another triple crochet stitch, like this. So I have added a new pair of triple crochet stitches, and now what I'm going to do next is to go between, please be careful here. So now I will insert my hook here. This is the beginning of the 2nd row, because you can see the chains. If you want to remember, you can always use a stitch marker. So here I am going to crochet a single crochet stitch, and then 1, 2, 3 chains and a triple crochet stitch, like this, and again 1 chain and 2 more triple crochet stitches. So it's very easy to follow this pattern. Now again here, because this is where I have these chains, between the chains and the triple crochet stitch, I am going to insert my hook. I am going to create a single crochet stitch, and then 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over twice, a triple crochet stitch, chain 1, yarn over twice, a triple crochet stitch, and 1 more triple crochet stitch. And this is the end of my 3rd row. As you can see, we add a pair of these triple crochet stitches in every row. So on the 1st row I have only 1 pair, on the 2nd row I have 2 pairs, and on the 3rd row that I have just finished crocheting I have 3 pairs. So this is a good way to know on which row you are at the moment. So this is really what you need to do for this pattern. Every time you start a new row, you crochet 6 chains, and then you turn, you skip the first 3, you yarn over twice in order to crochet a triple crochet stitch, you insert your hook into the fourth chain. So now you have a pair, let's say, of 3 chains and a triple crochet stitch. Then you chain 1, and again in the last chain you create 2 more triple crochet stitches, and in this way you add the width to the shawl. And for the length of the shawl you crochet as many rows as you like in order to reach the desired length. So again, here I am going to insert my hook into this gap, which is created by the 3 chains and the triple crochet stitch. I'm going to crochet a single crochet stitch, and again I'm going to crochet 3 chains, 2 yarn overs, insert my hook and crochet a triple crochet stitch. I'm going to crochet 1 chain and 2 more triple crochet stitches. We continue in exactly the same way. Here again that we have these 3 chains and the triple crochet stitch, we insert our hook and we crochet a single crochet stitch, 3 chains, yarn over twice, insert the hook and create a triple crochet stitch, 1 chain and 2 more triple crochet stitches. Again, here we have these 3 chains and the triple crochet stitch. We insert our hook, a single crochet stitch, 3 chains, yarn over twice, insert the hook and create a triple crochet stitch, 1 chain, yarn over twice, insert the hook, create a triple crochet stitch and another triple crochet stitch. And in this way I have finished the 4th row. As we said, you always know the number of the row because you can count these pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my 4th row. I'm going to continue in the 5th row by crocheting 6 chains and skipping 3, inserting my hook here, 2 crochet triple crochet stitch, and then chain 1, yarn over twice, and in the last chain 2 triple crochet stitches. Like this. Now you're going to insert your hook in the gap between the 3 chains and the triple crochet stitch, create a single crochet stitch and continue working in this way. So 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over twice, create a triple crochet stitch, chain 1, yarn over twice, again please find the gap between the 3 chains and the triple crochet stitch, create a single crochet stitch and continue in the same way. So 3 chains, 2 yarn overs, insert the hook and create a triple crochet stitch, chain 1, yarn over twice, 1 triple crochet stitch and another triple crochet stitch. So please let me finish this 5th row and I will meet you then. So once again I have finished my 5th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs, and I'm going to continue in this way. I'm going to crochet a few more rows so you can see how this pattern evolves. Please work this pattern at your own pace. It's a very easy pattern because you keep on doing the same thing all the time. It looks very elaborate, but it's really very easy. I will crochet a few more rows and I will meet you then. And this is how our shawl looks after a while. I hope you liked my tutorial and you are going to crochet this shawl. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up. See you soon in one of my next videos. Bye!